podcast. Today we talk about how can you find fields or fields list on your Remit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find it on your account. So you just come here to fields. It's going to show for you here front of messages. Just click it on it here fields. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you will find all of the fields that you share to your class will appear here. So here can you find it. It's making it even easier for your class to access your shared content here. So here can you find all fields you have. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.